If you are working in a book draft in KDP, there is a small menu you might have missed. Those three little horizontal dots next to your draft. It's easy to overlook, but it actually gives you quick access to some of the most useful tools for updating or managing your book without going through every setup screen again. Here's what's inside, what each option does, and a few tips to make the most of it. Let's start with the paperback. When you click the three dots, you will see Edit Paperback Content. This lets you re-upload your manuscript or cover without going through all the other steps again. Next, we have Edit Rights and Pricing. This takes you straight to the royalties section if you want to adjust your price or territories. Next, we have Request Printed Proof. This is really helpful. You can order a physical test copy to see exactly how your book prints before publishing. It will have a not for resale watermark, but it's a great way to catch formatting issues early. Next, we have unlinked books. If your paperback is connected to a hardcover or Kindle version and you want to separate them, this is where you do it. Lastly, we have delete paperback. You can only delete drafts that haven't been published yet. Once it is live, this option disappears. For hardcovers, it's almost the same, but you won't see the request proof option here. You will need to publish first, then order an author copy. Even though this menu looks small, it can save you a lot of clicks, especially when you're tweaking details or making updates later. If you want a tool that helps with formatting your cover and interior for both paperback and hardcover, I will link one I use down below. And just a quick tip, before publishing, always double check your pricing and file uploads from here. It's an easy way to avoid mistakes without going through the full setup process again. The tool I'm referring to is called BookBolt. It is an all-in-one platform for designing your covers and interiors, finding good keywords, and researching profitable niches. They even offer a 3-day free trial with no credit card needed, so you can test everything out first. The research tools are especially helpful. You can see what types of books are actually selling, get keyword ideas, and find underserved niches, which makes your book way more likely to stand out. And inside a BookBolt Studio, you will get drag and drop design tools, pre-made interiors, and tons of fonts and graphics. Everything is royalty free and made for publishing. And if you're planning to make puzzle books like word searches or mazes, this part is super underrated. You can literally generate puzzle pages in one click and customize everything. I've linked it down below so you can check it out. Honestly, BookBolt saves me hours of work, especially when I'm publishing books consistently. So if you're just getting started, it's definitely worth trying.